Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in. I am so excited to show you the May 2021 Kiwi Club Kit. Look at how cute this is. Even just the stinking packaging is cute. Summer Lovin. So I already pulled it out of the box and the plastic because I know how annoying all of that noise is. You're gonna have to hear it anyway though when I open the templates. So first and foremost, loving this. Look at this cute little thing they included this time. Let me put it against something white so you can see it. It says Summer Sunshine, and it's just kind of a colored chipboard. So that's fun. Little spot for some brads. And then I always like to show you the back. You know that. So look at what a fun, just fresh palette. So these colors are going to be so cool to create with. They just scream summer and beach and getting outside. So that's going to be great. The templates that are included are always pictured on the packaging. And then they're recommending Coastal Highway this month, Tiny Highlights, and the Shine a la carte. So some fun ones to include there. Go ahead and pull these cards out so I can show those to you in a moment. So let's take a little closer look at the paper. This one's got a great like teal background with all these really fun designs on it. So this is definitely one of the dominant prints this month. The back is kind of a bright orange with dots. And look at this, so fun. Kind of like little pinwheel designs, all different colors. Kind of turquoise waves on the back. This one's got kind of tropical leaves all over. We do have a template that looks like this, so that could be fun. And then this one's just full of summer words in a really great palette. These are circles, like little half circles that are different colors. No, could kind of be a beach ball. And honestly, at first reminded me of a fishing bobber. And then the back side is kind of a medium orange. It's beautiful. This is kind of a yellowy orange color, gold with sunglasses all over it. Turquoise, a little bit of a wavy design there. And then this one is a really nice kind of medium yellow. And the back is a real light, kind of a creamy yellow tone. Some design. And then we get to the background papers. So I've got two, this almost looks like parchment. Just a real like creamy pale yellow. The other side is a orange color. And then for this one, we've got red with a real subtle diagonal stripe, or turquoise, again with that diagonal stripe. So really fun colors to play with. Let's take a look at the cards. We'll start with the 4x6s. So lots of different words on here that could be used in different ways. I'll show you a little bit of the idea book when we're done if you want to see some of what they're doing with these. Okay, backside. Hot. Okay. I'm telling you, sometimes the backs are just as good as the front. So this one says Summertime with Good Friends. Okay. And we've got the 4x4s. Hot summer days. Soaking up the sun. And I was made for sunny days. You're cool. These ones are the 3x4s. Summer, let's go travel. Fun in the sun. Life is better in flip-flops. Don't flip out. It's just another birthday. That'd be a fun card. Keeping it cool in the pool. Just a cute little kind of pool, beachy layout. Oh, the backside's beach and a sailboat. That's fun. Just another summer day. So a little journaling spot there. The best memories are made in flip-flops and summer memories. So lots of fun cards to play with. Love that. And oh my gosh, just take a quick peek at this as I was flipping them, right? Look at these colors, you guys. So fun. Just this alone makes me excited to play. All right. And I want to show you these just in relation size-wise. Because if you are not a club member, if you're somebody who's still thinking about it or you're not sure of the value, I will tell you, I am never disappointed. You know, we all have paper that we really super love or maybe don't love as much, and I get that. I always find something to use it for, so that has not been a block for me. And then the templates, I not only use that month, but I continue to use them month after month, and that's fantastic. So this a la carte Sunny has got some neat stitching around it. I've seen people actually stitch this with like embroidery thread. So cute. And if you can see, here's the size of my hand. So this one is, you know, about the size of my hand, a little bit larger. Then you've got the sunglasses. Look, the sun could just wear those. That'd be cute. And then the flip-flops ended up being a little bit bigger than I thought. So I had seen something with them, and I just didn't have anything to scale them with. But they are really pretty good size. So if you kind of look there, right? Cute. Or maybe we'll just stick them up against like a 4x4 card. So there you go. They would fit barely on that 4x4 card. So that just gives you a little bit of a size reference. So really, really fun templates this month. Screaming summer. And every month the company produces an idea book. And so this Summer Lovin' Ideas to Inspire always has some great ideas in it. But this is a new feature that they're just starting, and it's called Sketch of the Month. And they're doing it as a scrapbooking challenge, which is really fun. So it's not that anybody expects you to create something exactly like their sketch, but using it as a jumping off place, just to kind of see where it takes you. And then you customize it with what you want it to be. So that's this month's sketch. Okay. And then just full of fun ideas. I have yet to pull out this coastal highway, this really wavy one. And then I see this and go, oh, yes, please. I've got some beach photos coming up. So that might just have to happen. There's always fun little QR codes that will link you to videos, cutting tips, closer looks, just lots of great content that's attached to this. So again, never disappointed. This shows kind of what happens if you flip a sketch, kind of rotate a page. And that's just a really valuable thing to think about. I think sometimes we look at designs and forget what we can do just with a rotation. Great ideas in here. This one, look, these flip-flops, they're lacing the little things that go between your toes, the little straps on the flip-flop. They're lacing it with ribbon. So I would not have thought about that. So cute. Okay. So lots of different things in here. Definitely adds to the value of the kit itself. So there's several more pages of this. If you are somebody who gets on the Kiwi website, these idea books are free, whether you are a club member or not. So check that out. You download them, you add them to your cart, so it feels like you're paying for it, but you're not. They are free. Once you check out, then they go into your downloads folder and they stay there forever. So just a great way to get some more ideas, see what the club's about, and check it out. So I hope that you got your club this month, that you're excited to play with it. I know there are several people interested in doing the May Kiwi Club collaboration this month, so we should have some videos coming to you. It's usually about 2/3 of the way through the month, somewhere around the 20th to 25th. It takes us a little time. So look for those and we'll be sure to share them, and hopefully you'll catch those. So thanks again for your time, and I hope that whatever you are doing, you are getting creative and having a great time. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye-bye.